Assalamu alaikum. Hello, Dr. Zakir. My name is Ruwaida. I want to attend your school. So what can you do for me?
MashaAllah, a young Muslimah has asked me that she wants to attend my school. What should she do? We have a school in Bombay, India, as well as a school in Chennai. We don't have a school in Ghana. If you are to attend the school, you have to ask your parents to come along with you to Bombay. Because we don't have a boarding, you'll have to stay with your parents. We have students coming from other parts of the world, from America, from UK, from Gulf country. We have two schools, one in Bombay, one in Chennai. You're most welcome to choose which you want. You have to convince your parents to come to India. And inshallah, if your parents are convinced, inshallah, I'll give you admission. I hope that answers the question.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
I'm Sadia. I'm the mother, but we can't afford. If only you can help her, but we can't.
I know it is difficult for a person to come from one country to the other country. What I would request to you is that you find the best available Islamic school in Ghana. Try and find the best available Islamic school in Ghana and put your daughter there. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah guides her and gets her closer to the Quran and Sunnah so that she can convey the message of Islam to the others.